Sixth problem. Sabnam has two school bags. Sabnam has two school bags, three tiffin boxes, and two water bottles. Sabnam has two school bags, and three tiffin boxes. Sabnam has two school bags and three tiffin boxes and two water bottles. That is two water bottles. In how many ways can she carry these items? Compulsory. We want one school bag, one tiffin box, and one water bottle. One school bag and one tiffin box and one bag. How many ways these can carry these items means clearly we use fundamental principles of multiplication law. First event done in two ways, that is first event done in two ways. So we have two bags. Second event done in three tiffin boxes. So three ways. Second event done in three ways. And third event, subject P. So third event done in two ways. Number of ways. She carried these items. She carried number of ways. She carried these items. She carried these items. Choosing one of these compulsory means, that is, we use fundamental principles of multiplication law, that is product rule, that is 2 into 3 into 2, 2 3 are 6, 6 2 are number of ways is 1. That means one bag 1, TV is what? Tiffin box 1 and water bottle 1. This is one way. And bag 1 and tiffin box 2 and first complete this one. Bag 1 and tiffin box 1 and water bottle 1. Bag 1 and tiffin box 1 and water bottle 2. Bag 1 and tiffin box 2 and water bottle 1. Bag 1 and tiffin box 2 and water bottle 2. And bag 1 and tiffin box 3 and water bottle 1. And bag 1 and tiffin box 3 and water bottle 2. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ways? 6 ways. Again, back to 6 ways. 6 plus 6. How many ways? Total ways. Number of ways. That is just 1 ways. Back 1, we get 3 2s are 6 ways. Again, back 2, we get 6 ways. 6 plus 6. How many ways? We have 1 ways. This is next. Second one. Next, seventh one. Solution. Given 4 flags of different colors. We have 4 different color flags. We have 4 number of flags is equals to number of flags is equals to 4. 4 different colored flags. The number of different signals that can be generated. The number of different signals that can be generated. A signal required. These are the use of 2 flags, one below the other. So we want signal that is this is signal box. The signal requires the use of 2 flags. The signal requires the use of 2 flags, one below the other. This is signal box. How many ways? First box. How many ways? Number of ways to fill the first box. Number of ways to fill the first box with 4 different flags is equal to 4 ways. We have 4 ways. Signal box requires the use of 2 flags. If you First box we have 4 flags, that is red or blue or yellow or violet. If you one flag is placed here, second box in how many ways we select this. If you want one color is placed here, next we have only 3 flags. So here we have how many ways we use. Second box, number of ways to fill the second box is equal to 3 ways. Therefore, total number of ways is equal to, by using of fundamental principles of product law, that is product law, 4 into 3, we have 4 into 2, that is equal to 1 ways. This is signal box. We have 4 different colored flags. 4 different colored flags. If you complete one different colored flag in first box, we have again 3 different colored flags. So in second box, we fill 3 different colored boxes. So 4 3s are how many ways? Total base is equal to 12 ways. This is. Next 8th problem. If NPR is equal to 5040, if NPR is equal to 5040, then the value of solution. NPR is equal to 5040. We want R value. NPR is equal to 5040 can be written as 10 into 504. 10 into 504 is nothing but 5040. 10 into 504 is nothing but how much? 5040. This can be written as 10 into 9 into 56. Observe here, 9 6 are 54. 9 5 is 45. 45 plus 5, that is 15. So 56 9s are how much? 56 9s are 5. So 504 can be written as 9 into 56. 10 into 9 into 56. 56 can be written as again 9 into, so 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, how much? 8 into 7 is nothing but 56. 8 into 7 is equal to how much? So 5040 can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. This can be expressed in factorial notation. That is NPR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. N minus r factorial. So this can be expressed in factorial notation. That is up to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. This can be written as this is 10 factorial or 10 factorial into, or that is 9. This is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. We want factorial notation. So this can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into, this can be written as 6 factorial by 6 factorial. 6 factorial get cancelled. We get 1 only. So we have numerator 10 into 9 into 8 into 6 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. So this can be written as how much? 10 factorial by. Numerator and denominator multiply by 6 factorial, we get 6 factorial by 6 factorial, nothing but 1 only. So 10 factorial by 10 to up to 1, we get 10 factorial by. In denominator, we get 6 factorial. This can be expressed in the form of like this. This is n factorial by n minus r factorial is equal to 10 factorial by 6 can be written as 10 minus 4 factorial. 10 minus 4 is nothing but 6 factorial. We want r value. Compare with this one, or like directly here also we get, that is r is equals to 4. R is equals to how much? 4. We want r value 4. Or here also n minus r is equals to n minus r is equals to 6. Here n is equals to how much? N is equals to 10. N is equals to 10. Substitute here, we want r value, that is 10 minus r is equals to 6. 10 minus 6 is equals to r. R is equals to 4. R is equals to r. This one. That is n minus r. 6 factorial can be written as 10 minus 4 factorial. Clearly r value. Or here only n value 10. N minus r value 6. N minus r value 6. We get n value 10. 10 minus r equals 6. 10 minus 6 equals r. R is equals to 4. Take either this one or this. Next. Level 2 first problem. if 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial is equal to x by 10 factorial, the value of x. So we know that n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Already we know this one. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. So 1 by 8 factorial, right, like this one, 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial can be written as 9 into 8 factorial. 9 into 8 factorial is equal to x by 10 factorial can be written as 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Take 1 by 8 factorial as we get here 1 plus. Here 1 by 9 is equal to here x by 1 by 8 factorial that means x by 10 nines are 10 nines are 1 by 8 factorial, 1 by 8 factorial, where we get cancelled. 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 1, this is we get 10 by 9 is equal to x by 9. We want x value. So x is equal to 10 by 9 into 90. 9 ones, 9 tens. X is equal to 10 tens, 100 is x is equal to how much? Next problem, that is level 2, second problem. 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 into 10 solution. 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 into 10 into and so on into 2n minus 2 into 2n. We want in factorial notation. We want factorial notation. So this can be written as 2 into 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into 8 can be written as 2 into 4. We want factorial notation. That means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So that's why I can write like this. So into 10 can be written as 2 into 5. 2 into 5 and so on. If you take 2 as a common, 2 into we get n minus 1 and this is 2 into n minus 1. 2n can be written as 2 into 2 into. So here we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and so on into 2 up to n times. Up to n times into here we get, if you take 2 we get here 1, if you remove this 2 we get here 2, so 1 into 2 into 3 into this is 4 into this is 5 into and so on into n minus 1 into take 2 that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into up to n times. And if you take 2 here, this one, we get here 1. If you remove this 2, we get 2. If you remove this 2, we get 3. If you remove this 2, we get 4. If you remove this 2, we get 5. If you remove this 2, this is 1 minus 1. If you remove this 2, we get 8. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 up to n times, this can be written as 2 power n. 2 power n. After that, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to n, the product of first n natural number. So this can be written as n. So 2 power n into n factorial is the factorial notation. 2 power n into n. Next, find the value of n factorial whole to the power n. N factorial whole to the power n. If they give n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. N cube, where n cube is always greater than 9, a positive number. N cube is always greater than 9, a positive number. So, observe your solution. They give n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2. If you remove the bracket, you get n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. That means n plus n plus n we get 3n minus 1 minus 2 we get minus 2. 3n minus 3 is equal to. If you multiply here, that is n into n square minus n into n minus 2. N square minus n into n minus 2. So 3n minus 3 is equal to n square into n we get n cube minus n square into 2 that is 2n square. Minus n into plus n that is minus n square minus into minus plus. So 3n minus 3 is equal to n cube minus 3n square plus 2n. If you transpose from LHS to RHS, this will become positive, this will become negative. So we get here n cube minus 3n square plus 2n minus 3n plus 3 is equals to 0. Clear? So n cube minus 3n square plus 2n minus n minus 3n, we get minus n plus 3 is equals to 0. Take, we want, this is a cubic equation, we want the value of n. So take n square as common here, we get n square common here. We get n minus 3. If you take n square will get n cube, n square minus 3 minus 3 n square. Clear? Here, take minus 1 as common, we get n minus 3 is equals to 0. Take n minus 3 as common, n minus 3 as common, we get n square minus 1 is equals to 0. N square minus 1 is equals to 0. So, n minus a into b is equals to 0. Either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. That means either n minus b is equals to 0 or n square minus 1 is equals to 0. Either n minus 3 is equals to 0 or n square minus 1 is equals to 0. n minus 3 is equals to 0. Minus 3 transpose from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus quantity. So we get n is equals to 3 or if you transpose minus 1 from LHS to RHS, we get plus 1. That is n square is equals to 1. So that is n square is equals to plus or minus square root of n. If you transpose square from LHS to RHS, it becomes square root. That is plus or minus square root. So n is equals to plus or minus. So n is equals to 3 or n is equals to 3 or n is equals to plus or minus. So clearly they gave one condition. That is n cube value always greater than 9. N cube value always greater than 1. If you take n is equals to 1 cube. So this is by n value. If you take minus 1 also, this condition failed. So not at all, not a n value plus or minus 1. So the value of n is 3. Clearly the value of n is 3. Why? Because they gave a condition that is n cube is always greater than 9. So if you substitute 1 cube is not a greater than 9. 1 cube is nothing but 1. 1 is greater than 9 is false. 1 is less than 9 is true. So not at all n value 1. Also they gave positive value. So n also not a minus value. So take n value 3. So we want n factorial. So n factorial whole cube we want. Whole power n we want. What is the value of n? 3. So we want 3 factorial whole power 3. 3 factorial whole power. 3 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3. 3 factorial means what? 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 3s are 6. So 3 factorial is nothing but 6 cube. 6 cube. 6 6 is 36. 6 are 216. So answer is 216. 216 is the answer. Next one. Next fourth problem. Find the value of 1 plus 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus and so on plus n into n factorial value we want. Observe here solution. Given that 1 plus 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus and so on plus n into n factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on to n. This 1 plus, this can be written as by using of summation symbol. This can be written as by using of summation symbol. We use sigma. Take this as already n into n factorial is there. So this can be written as up to n is equals to 1 to n into n factorial. N into n factorial. We use this symbol summation. N is equals to up to. If you substitute n is equals to 1 into 1 factorial. N is equals to 2 into 2 factorial. N is equals to 3 into 3 factorial. N equals to 4 into 5 factorial. N equals to 1 that is n into n factorial. This can be written as by using of summation sigma. That is sigma n is equal to 1 to n into n. That is equal to 1 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to n n can be written as our convenience n plus 1 minus 1 into n factorial. Clearly, minus 1 plus 1 can cancel, no problem, that is n only. So our convenience n can be written as n plus 1 into minus 1 into n. So 1 plus sigma n is equals 1 to n, this can be written as n plus 1 minus 1 into n plus this one can be written as n plus 1 minus 1, can be written as n plus 1 minus 1. If you multiply here, we get that is 1 plus sigma n is equals 1 to n factorial into n plus 1, that is n plus 1 into n factorial minus 1 into n factorial, then n factorial. That is 10 into 9 factorial. 10 into 9 factorial is nothing but 10 factorial only. So this can be written as 1 plus sigma n is equals to 1 to n. This can be written as n plus 1 into n factorial can be written as n plus 1 factorial minus n plus 1 factorial minus n plus 1 factorial minus. This value is nothing but sigma n is equals 1 to n plus 1 factorial minus. So that is, if you substitute n is equals 1, 2, 3, we get, that is, if you substitute 1 plus 1, if you substitute 1 to up to n, if you substitute n 1 plus 1 plus 1 factorial minus 1 factorial. Next plus, if you substitute 2 plus 1 factorial minus 2 factorial. If you substitute 3 plus 1 factorial minus 3 factorial and so on. If you substitute n, we get n plus 1 factorial minus. So this can be written as 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 factorial minus 1 factorial plus 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 factorial minus 2 factorial plus 3 plus 1 can be written as 4 factorial minus 3 factorial plus and so on plus n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial we get clear. So clearly plus 2 factorial minus 2 factorial cancel, plus 3 factorial minus 3 factorial cancel, plus 4 factorial minus 4 factorial cancel, plus n factorial, so minus n factorial get cancelled. So total remaining terms are 1 plus, that is 1 minus 1 factorial, next one plus n plus 1 factorial. So 1 minus 1 factorial is nothing but 1 only, plus n plus 1 factorial, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, we get n plus 1 factorial is the answer. N plus 1 factorial is the answer. Next, fifth problem, that is, how many ways 4-letter codes? How many ways 4-letter codes? 4-letter codes can be formed using the first 10 letters. First 10 letters of the English alphabet. The no letter can be repeated. No letter can be repeated. Means solution of the here. We want 4-letter codes. 4-letter code. That is anything. That is any letter 4-letter code. One code we want. That is we have 4-letter only, and we have a total number of letters is 10 letters. How many ways can we perform this code? No letter can be repeated. Means no letter can be repeated. So total number of letters we have 10 letters. We want 4-letter codes. Take 4 boxes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We want 4-letter codes. 4-letter codes. We have 10 letters. No letter can be repeated. No letter can be repeated. In how many ways? First box can be filled with. We have 10 letters. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, up to Z. So how many ways this can be filled means we have 10 ways. How many ways? 10 ways. Either A, R, B, R, C, R, D, R, E, R, F, R, I, R, J. So we have 10 ways. Why? Because the first 10 letters of the English alphabet. So this is either AR, BR, CR, DR, ER, FR. So how many ways to fill this first box means we have 10 ways. How many ways to fill the second box? If A is fixed here, if A is fixed, if in case if A is fixed here, first box, we have only 9 letters. We have 9 letters. So second box we fill 9 only. And if here A and B will fix, A will fix, next we have 8 letters. So this box can be filled with number of ways, 8 ways. This is 10 ways. 10 ways, this is 9 ways, this is 8 ways. How many ways to fill this box ways? Already this A, B, C is 3 letters completed. Remaining we have 7 letters only. So we have 7 ways to fill this box. Answer here, we want 4 letter codes. 4 letter codes we want. So how many letters we have? 10 letters. If first box, how many ways to fill the first box means we have 10 letters, so 10 ways to fill this first box. That is either A or B or C or D or anything. So we have 10 ways. If first box, if A is fixed, we have only 9 letters. So how many ways to fill the second box means we have only 9 letters. So this is 9 ways. If B is fixed, we have 8 letters. So how many ways to fill the third box means 8 ways. If ABC is fixed means how many ways to fill the fourth box means 7 ways. So total number of ways, total number of ways is equal to, by using the fundamental principles of multiplication law, that is product rule, that is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So, how many ways to fill this box is? That is 7, 8, 56, 10 into 56, 9 are, already we know that is 504, 10 into 504 is nothing but 5040. So, 5040 ways to select this 4 letter codes by using our 10 units alphabet. That is first question. Next, sixth one solution is how many 9-digit numbers? How many 9-digit numbers of different digits can be found? How many 9-digit numbers? So number of digits is equals to 10. Number of digits is equals to 10. Then they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have total number of digits is equals to 10. So we want 9-digit numbers. We want 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We want 9-digit numbers. So we have 9 boxes. So how many ways to fill the first box? How many ways to fill the first box means we have total digits 10. But we want 9-digit number, so not at all in first place, not at all write 0. If you 0 write first box, we get 8-digit numbers, not a 9-digit number. So not at all write 0 in first box. If you remove this 0, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many ways? So 9 ways to fill the first box. How many ways to fill the first box is 9 ways. Why? Because we have 10 digits, but if you write the 0, not a 9-digit number, this is 8-digit number, so not at all write 0 in first place. Next, how many ways to fill the second box? How many ways to fill the second box is, we have already one number is fixed, that is 1 is fixed. Remaining numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again 9 is. So how many ways to fill the second box is? Again 9 ways. If 2 is fixed means remaining 9 digits. So 9 ways. Next, how many ways to fill the third box means? If 0 and 1 is fixed, remaining how many ways? 8 ways. So 8 ways. This is 7 ways. This is 6 ways. This is 5 ways. This is 4 ways. This is 3 ways. This is 2 ways. Totally we have 10 digits. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How we want 9 digit number, 9 digit numbers. How many ways can perform this one means? First box, how many ways to fill the first box means? 9 ways to fill the first box. We have 10 digit. Why means if you write the 0, we get 8 digit number. Not at all write the 0. We have 9 digits, so 9 ways. How many ways to fill the second box? We have, if 3 is fixed, we have 9 digits. So 9 ways to fill the second box. That is 0 or 2 or 0. Write second place, no problem. 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number. So we have 9 ways. If 1 and 2, any two numbers, we have 0 and 1 and 0. Any two numbers in fixed ways, we have 8 digits, so 8 ways. Next, if 3 digit number, 3 digit is fixed, next one, we have 7 only, so 7 ways. 6 ways, 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways. So total number of ways is equal to total number of ways. Total number of ways is equal to total number of ways is equal to. By using our fundamental principles of multiplication law, that is 9 into 9 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So 9 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 is nothing but observe here. This can be written as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 9 can be written as 9 into 9 factorial. 9 into 9 factorial. What is the value of 9 factorial? 9 factorial is nothing but 3,62,880. 9 factorial value. 9 factorial value. 3,62,880. That is the 9 factorial. That is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. Value how much? 3,62,880. So 9 into 3,62,000. 9 into 3,62,880 value, that is 32,65,920. 32,65,920 is the next one. The number of 2-digit even numbers. The number of 2-digit even numbers that can be found from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Given digits is solution. Given digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If digits can be repeated, how many ways the number of 2-digit number can be? 2-digit even number we want. 2-digit even number we want. That is first box this is and second box this is. We want 2-digit even number. 2-digit even number we want. Even number means compulsory unit digit, either 2 or 4. Either 2 or 4. Unit digit compulsory, either 2 or 4. How many ways means we have? That is 2 ways. This is 2 ways. How many ways to fill the unit digit? We want even number. Why? Because we want 2-digit even number. 2-digit even number means unit plus first is 2 or 4. 2 or 4. 2 or 4. How many ways to fill the unit digit means only 2 ways. Either 2 or 4. Only 2 ways. How many ways to fill the first box? Here can be repeated. Numbers can be repeated. How many ways is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways? How many ways? 5 ways. Here 5 ways. By using total number of ways is equal to total number of ways is equal to, by using our fundamental principles of multiplication law, this is first box can be filled. How many ways means we have 5 digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digits. How many ways to fill the second box means we have 2-digit even number means compulsory unit digit either 2 or 4. Only you have 2 chances. So we have 2 ways. So m value 5, n value 2. So total number of ways is equal to m into n is nothing but 5 into 2 that is equal to 10 ways. How many ways? 10 ways. We have to find the 2-digit even numbers. Next, second question. We have three colors. Three colors. One is the red, blue, and the green. Red and blue and the green. How many ways this triangle can be colored? No adjacent two triangles are same color. No two adjacent triangles are same color. Means first of all, red, blue, green. In how many ways to fill the? First of all, to paint the. This is middle triangle. How many ways? The total ways is equal to total number of ways. Total number of ways. First to fill the this middle triangle. How many ways to fill the? To paint the middle triangle? We have three ways. Either red, blue, or green. Either red, blue, or green. If you weigh, how many ways to fill this middle triangle? We have three ways. By using our fundamental principles of product law, this is three ways. How many ways to fill this triangle is? If red is fixed, and we have blue and green, this is two ways. So into two, this is red is fixed means we have here blue or green. This is also here two ways. Here also two ways. No two triangles have the same color. Observe, if red here, if this is red means this is blue or green. This is red means this is blue or green. This is red means this is also blue or green. No two triangles have the same color. So 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 is nothing but 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24 ways. Number of ways, how many ways? 24 ways. Next, the third one. The number of ways 3 prizes can be distributed. 3 prizes can be distributed 4 children. 3 prizes can be distributed 4 children. So that no child gets all 3 prizes. No child gets all 3 prizes. We have 4 children and 3 prizes. We have 4 children. Children 1, children 2, and children 3, and children 4. And we have 3 prizes. That is prize number 1, prize number 2, and prize number 3. So, number of required ways is equal to number of required ways. Number of required ways is equal to how many ways? How many ways can distribute 3 prizes to 4 children? Means 3 prizes to 4 children means. So this is 1 way, this is 2 way, this is 3 ways. Again 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. So total number of ways is equal to total required number of ways is equal to total number of ways minus total number of ways minus. We want they give the no change gets all the 3 prizes. That means number of ways, all the 3 prizes, number of ways, all the prizes students gets. So required number of ways equals total ways minus number of ways all the prizes student get. Means that is total number of ways is equal to this is 4 ways, 4 into each way, again 3 ways. That is 4 into 4 into 4. That is 4 into 4 into 4 minus that is this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 into 4. That is 3 ways. That is 4 cube minus. How many ways all the prizes? If all the prizes, student can't get all 3 prizes at a time. That means how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4 ways. Remove this 4 ways. Not at all get all the 3 prizes. Any student not at all gather all the 3 prizes. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4 chances. Remove the chances. That is 4 cube minus 4. 4 cube means 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. 64 minus 4 is nothing but 60 ways. How many ways? 60 ways. That is. Next, evaluate. Fourth problem. Evaluate n factorial by n minus r factorial when n is equal to 6 and r is equal to 2. So that is 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial. That is equal to 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial is nothing but 4 factorial. 6 factorial can be written as 4 factorial into 5 into 6 by 4 factorial. 4 factorial, 4 factorial get cancelled. 5 6 are 30 is the answer. Next, fifth problem. Evaluate n factorial by n minus r factorial when n is equals to 9 and r is equals to 5. So substitute here n factorial by n minus r factorial is equals to n factorial when here 9 factorial by n minus r, that is 9 minus 5 factorial. That is 9 factorial by 9 minus 5 nothing but 4 factorial. So 9 factorial can be written as 4 factorial into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 by again 4 factorial. 4 factorial, 4 factorial get cancelled. That is 5 6 30 37. How much? 210. 8 9 is 72. 72 into 210 is equal to 15 and 120 is the 15120 is the yes integer type question. If 2n factorial by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial is to n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial is equals to 44 is to 3, then find the value. So 2n factorial by 2n factorial by nothing but 2n factorial by this can be 2n factorial can be written as this is 2n minus 3 factorial into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 1 into 2n by here 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial into it will comes it's a reciprocal. If the ratio is removed means it will comes it's a reciprocal. It's nothing but 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial by n factorial can be written as n minus 2 factorial into n minus 1 into n is equal to 44. Clearly, n minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial get cancelled. 2n minus 3 factorial, 2n minus 3 factorial get cancelled. So we get that is again n and n get cancelled. N and n get cancelled. Next, here we get 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 1 into 2 by 3 factorial nothing but 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3 into 2 factorial nothing but 2 into 1 is 2 by this is n minus 1 is equals to 44 by 3. Here observe here, if you take 2 as common here, 2 as common here, we get 2 times of n minus 1. 2 if you take 2 as common, we get n minus 1. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So we want what is again 2 ones, 2 22s 44. Again 2 ones are 2 11s and 3 and 3 get cancelled. So we get here n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 by n minus 1 is equal to 11 by 1. 11 by 1. So if you multiply we get n into n that is equal to 2n square minus n into 1 is nothing but minus n. Again minus 2n minus 1 into 2n is nothing but minus 2n. Minus 1 into minus 1 we get plus 1 by n minus 1 is equal to how much? 11. If you do cross multiplication 2n square minus 3n plus 1 is equal to 11 and minus 11. If you transfer this one 2n square minus 3n plus 1 minus 11 plus 11 is equal to 0. So 2n square minus 11 and minus 3n we get minus 14 times of n plus 1 plus 11 we get 1 is equal to 0. If you take 2 as common here we get n square minus 7n plus 6 is equal to 0. If you take 2 as common. If you do send from LHS to RHS, it becomes 0 by 2. Is nothing but 0 only. So n square minus 7 plus 6 is equal to 0. If you split, this is clearly quadratic equation. If you split the, we want factorization, we split the middle term here. That is minus plus n square minus 6n minus n plus 6 is equal to 0. If you take n is common, n minus 6. Minus 1 is common, n minus 6. Take n minus 6 as common. N minus 6 as common, we get n minus 1 is equal to 0. So n minus 6 is equal to 0 or n minus 1 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 6 or n is equal to 1. So n is not value. Here, observe here. 2n factorial. 2n factorial by 3 factorial 2n minus 3 factorial. If you do n, if you take n is 1, we get minus negative value. So n is not a value of 1, so therefore value of n is equal to 6 is not. Yes, integer type question, last question, that is, if 2n plus 1 pn minus 1 is to 2n minus 1 pn is equal to 3 is to 5, then value of n we know. We know that already npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial is a part. npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So this can be written as solution. This can be written as n factorial is nothing but 2n plus 1 factorial by n minus r factorial is nothing but 2n plus 1 r value here minus n plus 1 factorial is to 2n minus 1 pn is nothing but 2n minus 1 factorial by n minus r factorial 2n minus 1 minus n factorial is equals to 3 is to 5. Because how much? 3. So 2n plus 1 factorial here, 2n plus 1 factorial by 2n minus n we get n plus 1 we get n plus 2 factorial. Into its reciprocal, 2n minus n we get n minus 1 factorial by we get 2n minus 1 factorial is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to how much? So 2n plus 1 can be written as 2n plus 1, 2n and 2n minus 1. This can be written as 2n minus 1 factorial. 2n minus after we get 2n into after 2n plus 1 by n plus 2 can be written as n plus 2 can be written as n minus 1 factorial into n plus 1 into that is n plus 2 into n minus 1 factorial by 2n minus 1 factorial is equals to 3. Clearly, n minus 1 factorial get cancelled. 2n minus 1 factorial, 2n minus 1 factorial get cancelled. And 2n, n and n get cancelled. n and 2 into n, that is 2n and n get cancelled. We get here, observe here, 2n plus 1 by, 2n plus 1 by, we get n plus 1 into n plus is equals to, we get here 3 by 5. If you do cross multiplication, here 2 is also there. So if you do cross multiplication, by 2s are 10 times of 2n plus 1 is equals to 3 times of n into n is nothing but n square plus 2n, n into 2n plus 1 and is nothing but 3n plus 2 is 3n plus 2. 10 into 2n is nothing but 20n plus 10 is equal to 3n square plus 9n plus 6. We want to n value. If we transpose total value here, we get 3n square plus 9n plus 6 minus 20n minus 10 is equal to 0. We get 3n square minus 20 plus 9. How much? Minus 11 n plus 6 minus 10, we get minus 1. So 3 4s are followed. This can be written as 3n square minus 11n minus 11 or minus 12n. 3 4s followed, yes. Minus 12n plus 11 minus 4. If you take 3n here, we get n minus 4 plus 1 here, n minus 4. So take n minus 4, we get 3n plus 1. So n minus 4 is equal to 0 or this is 3n plus 1. 3n plus 1 is equal to. That means n is equal to 4 or 3n is equal to minus 1, n is equal to minus 4. n can't be negative. Therefore, n is equal to 4 is the n can't be negative. And n is not a rational number. So n value is nothing but n value. That is